All right, good afternoon. I'm Heather Cleveland. I teach drafting at Great Bend High School, USD 428 in Great Bend, Kansas. I've only been teaching for a semester. I came in last Christmas. I also coach here as well, basketball. Um, I'd say my strengths with technology is I'm not scared to try something new. I'm good at just playing around with it and figuring out what I like and what I don't like about it. I've had to do that a lot coming in that semester, taking over from two substitutes, so that was pretty interesting. My weaknesses are, even though I'm a young teacher, I am teaching the CT field. I don't like to put a lot of technology in my students' hands because I really believe in soft skills. And in my content area, I feel technology gets in the way of that, and so I try to keep it out of my students' hands as much as possible. Although I do have to teach some, obviously, on the computer because we use daily desktops, dot cams, um, the projector, some other things like different softwares, 3D printers, plotters. So we use a lot of technology, but I try to have them use as little as possible when in the classroom. Um, see, I use Google Classroom and I love it. I also encourage all my students to use the docs and the slides and stuff when creating projects for myself. I think it's just easier when grading and downloading that stuff since we all have Chromebooks and they have access to all that through their Google email and all that. So it makes it really easy that our school is already on board with Google. And I've had a lot of good things come from Google Classroom with my students and the relationships we've built through that. Um, so thanks for listening, and I hope that we can learn more about technology together, and I look forward to seeing all your guys' videos.